Hi everyone, this session I am going to discuss about operation with the unbalanced source voltage, and single phasing of three phase induction motor. First, what is the meaning of unbalanced source voltage? So this is the balanced voltage. Balanced voltage means that magnitude, all the magnitude remains same. R, Y, B, okay, all remains same value. So that is called a balanced voltage. What do you mean by unbalanced voltage? That voltages will not be same. So that is called a unbalanced voltage. So normally in the balanced voltage there will be no current in the neutral. In unbalanced voltage there is a current in the neutral. So the unbalanced voltage can be resolved into positive sequence, negative sequence and zero sequence. That already you would have studied in the power system. That is in 6th semester. Okay, so it can be resolved into positive sequence, negative sequence and zero sequence. So the positive sequence is 1 by 3 VA alpha VB plus alpha square VC. Same then negative sequence 1 by 3 VA alpha square VB and alpha VC. Then zero sequence is 1 by 3 VA plus VB plus VC. What is alpha? Alpha is nothing but a cos 120 plus j sin 120. This is the value of alpha. Okay, similarly you can calculate for the alpha square value, you can calculate. Now here already we saw in the previous session. In the previous session, what is that IR value? IR dash value is nothing but a VP divided by RS plus RR dash plus J XS plus XR dash. So here the positive sequence value also remains the same. So if you have any doubt, kindly check my old video, previous session video. That link I given in the description. So this is the positive sequence current, rotor current. Then positive sequence torque TP, that remains same like that is normal torque. So 3 by omega ms. This also explained in the previous session video. Kindly check it. So 3 by omega ms Vp square RR dash divided by RS plus RR dash whole square plus XS plus XR dash square. So this is for the positive sequence. Negative sequence, what will happen in the negative sequence? Negative sequence will create a flux opposite to that positive sequence. So that synchronous flux will flow in the opposite direction. So what is the actually slip formula? S formula is omega ms minus omega m divided by omega ms. That is for the positive sequence. For positive sequence, slip S equal to omega ms minus omega m divided by omega m. For negative sequence, the synchronous field will rotate in the opposite direction. So you have to put a minus symbol over here. So minus omega ms minus omega m divided by minus omega ms. So this is omega m. So what is that omega m value? That omega m value is nothing but omega ms into 1 minus s. Already we know this actually we derived in the previous session. So kindly check the previous session video. Then Sn. Now we need to substitute the omega m value. Omega m value, if you substitute, you will get minus omega ms 1 minus s. So omega m value you have to substitute over here. If you substitute, then expand, you will get like that. Then omega m minus omega ms minus omega ms becomes minus 2 omega ms. So the mathematical adjustment, after doing that mathematical adjustment, you will get a Sn, that is negative sequence slip is nothing but a 2 minus s. So this is the negative sequence slip. Now, what is the rotor current? So wherever you got in the positive sequence, that S you have to replace with the 2 minus S. So if you do, then you will be getting that negative sequence current and that respective torque. So IR dash N is nothing but a Vn divided by RS. So there we will put Vp positive sequence. Here you have to take the negative sequence voltage. There you will put S. Here you have to put 2 minus S. So that is the difference between that positive sequence and negative sequence equation wise. Actually you can derive it. Then Tn, that is the negative sequence torque created by the negative sequence minus 3 omega ms. Then similar is the case. So here RR dash by S. So that should be replaced with RR dash by 2 minus S. So that is the negative sequence torque. Then what is the total current? So IR dash. So IR dash is nothing but a root of positive sequence current square plus negative sequence current square. Okay, root of. So that I provided here 1 by 2, power of 1 by 2. Similarly, what is the torque? Torque is nothing but a positive sequence torque plus negative sequence torque will give that total torque. So now you can substitute the value, you can substitute TP value under Tn value. This is the Tn value, TP value is already that normal value. This is the TP value. Now if you substitute it, you will get the equation. In the equation you have to substitute the TP value under Tn value. Now in the unbalanced stator voltage, this is the speed torque curve. So this is the normal curve. This is that normal curve. This is because of that positive sequence. Then this is because of that negative sequence. So this is the speed torque characteristics for the unbalanced stator voltage. So here voltages are not same. So voltages will be different. Single phasing. So here what is the meaning of single phasing? If any one phase is got opened, if any one voltage becomes zero, completely zero, then that is called a single phasing. So during single phasing the characteristics will be like this. So this is unbalanced stator voltage, more or less similar than the single phasing. So now you got a clear understanding about the operation with the unbalanced source voltage and the single phasing of three-phase induction motor. Unbalanced source voltage means that magnitude will not be same. Then single phasing means one of the voltage, that is R or Y or B, will become zero. So motor will run in the two phases. So that is called a single phasing. If you have any doubt, mail to me.